Applied students, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a histogram online. So we are going to go back to our handy dandy site, head to desmos.com/calculator. From here, you'll see the graph, you'll see the text input that you're going to use. You will need to have a data set. This data set is likely something that you will copy and paste. So I've already copied my data set, so all I'm going to do is paste that data set into Desmos. My data set has 74 elements in it. And then just like when we were making a box plot, I need to go label that data set. So I've now labeled it. And from here, you can almost guess how this is going to work in Desmos. Instead of using that word box plot, we're going to type the word histogram of A. And now you can see a histogram has appeared on my graph. I have some options of how I want this to look. Some of them are going to matter for our class. So when we bin, we always choose to use left alignment when we are binning, which will change if you notice the shape changes a little bit. But we choose to use left alignment. You can do relative or density. Those we'll look at later on. So for right now, that bar height should be based on the count. And then the only other thing that you might want to go change is that bin size. To change the bin width, you're going to just change that number. So instead of binning by 1, I can choose to bin by 2, by 10, and see how things change in the sense of how big my bins are. I can bin by 1/2. And again, my bin sizes themselves and the bin widths change based on that number. So you can leave it at 1 unless you were told to do something else, or you get to choose and mess around with and see what makes the most sense for your data set. And there you go. That's making a histogram on Desmos.